Immunization. Introduction. Which one of the following statements correctly describes a vaccine? Choose one of the following options. 1. Some vaccines are made from weakened or dead germs. 2. Vaccines prevent you from getting certain diseases. 3. Vaccines trick your immune system into learning how to defend itself against a disease. 4. All of the above. Correct. If you get a vaccine, does the vaccine only protect you? Select yes or no. Correct. If you receive a vaccine, your immune system may stop an illness before it starts. This also means that you will be contagious for a much shorter period of time, or perhaps not at all. Are vaccines likely to cause serious side effects like an allergic reaction or a seizure? Select yes or no. Correct. Serious side effects rarely develop. Are vaccines no longer needed? Select yes or no. Correct. Vaccines are still needed. If we stopped vaccinations, diseases that are uncommon right now could become common again. Thank you for using Explain.